You get the gist. Temu is okay, it's cool. Make sure you measure whatever you're buying and read the reviews, okay? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kesia Nazirigbe. Today I'm excited because it's my first time purchasing stuff from Temu. I am not a Temu girl. I'm not proud. It's not because I'm trying to be proud. I've been like, let me just stick to Boohoo and Amazon, but I've been hearing that I've been missing a lot. It's really cheap. And finally somebody gave me a gift card to use on Temu, and I was like, wow. I've been buying stuff for £1, £2, £3, 1 point something pound, 7 point something pound. I love it. So part of my order came in today. My sister, of course, she opened it. I wanted to do everything here, but she opened it. So first I'm starting with this 2-in-1 LED stuff for my nails. It's so small. That's what I'll say. It's really small. And I'm supposed to, I was thinking I should have like the price by the side so I could tell you how much I got this. But it's really small. Smaller than I expected. I guess I can only do one finger at a time. But it's okay for the price. So this is really small, like I was saying. I'm just trying to check the price. I got this for £3.79. So that's okay. I will need to try it out to see how well it works. Well, this is it. And the next one is this mirror. It's supposed to come with a light, I think. Ooh, okay, not bad. Not bad. How do you do that? Okay, not bad. So I just stand it on the table like that. Not bad. For the lights, it's okay. Not bad. I got this for how much is that? £3.98. That's quite a lot, but not bad. Do I like it? Yeah, I do. It came with a charger in there. Yeah, not bad. What is this? Help me unbox them. I don't know what this is. I can't remember. Could you help me unbox this? Can I? Also have this beret that I got. I saw it and I don't really think I like it that much, but I guess it feels so light. But maybe with time it's gonna get, I don't know. It feels a bit light. I think this one was a miss. It's not so bad, but I can feel it that it's not as as firm as I would want it to. I got this for how much? Find out the price. Yeah, £1.69. But I saw this on Boohoo for like £7. But I think Boohoo is a bit more quality than this. This is not so quality. Yeah. Anyway, next one is I might have to buy another one because I really don't like this. Feels very light. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna change with time and maybe air getting into it. I don't know, but it feels so light. The same £1 something. Let's say approximately £2. This is okay. This is manageable, but I would have preferred the other real one that's a bit like, real beret. It's kind of low quality. Yeah, well, what do you expect? What is this? Oh, makeup for makeup brushes. I got 2 of these actually. This is where you can put your makeup brushes and just stand them right, and it's like it rotates. Okay, and you have this is okay, not bad. Yeah, put your makeup brushes in there and you can turn them around when you want to. Oh my goodness! I don't want this to break. Not safe. There's one here you laugh. Oh my god, toilet brush. I don't know. It looks so small. Okay, I see why it's small. I see why. Oh my goodness. And this one is the toilet brush. I think it sticks to the wall or something. You can just stick it to the wall like that. Let's see. You just stick it to the wall. So it's fine, it's okay. I thought it was smaller than this. I thought it was supposed to be bigger than this, but I thought it was gonna be like, you know, a bit bigger, but it's fine, it's okay for the price. It's okay. It's okay. I'm learning my Temu lesson right now. £1.38. What do you expect? Toilet brush, like to wash the toilet. But it's fine. I got some hair. I'm going to open that one last. I'm so scared. I'm so nervous. You know, brush for styling the hair. It's fine. Same price. It's cheap. It's affordable. £1.48. That's fine because I saw it on Amazon for almost £5 or £6. I don't know, more than that. Anyway, it's fine. It's okay. It's fair. This is really fair. This is quality. Lashes. How much did you get these lashes? We got that for let's see. Can't find that. What is going on? Okay, £2.58. This is really good. The lashes are fluffy, really fluffy, and they are so full. Like I really wanted something small, but I don't know. I hardly put on lashes, but I guess I'm going to start doing that now. I wanted something really small, but they are really fluffy. You can see that they are well layered. Like, I wish I could show you. Maybe I should take one off. They're well layered, I would say. So it's fine if you want this kind of lashes. Layered, and you can see that it starts. Let me show you. Okay, so it's well layered, which is fine. And fluffy. It's okay for the price. It's cool. But right now I'm just not loving the toilet brush. Is really scary. Like the sides. Oh, necklaces. I will let my sister set this up. Let me set this up. Oh, professional makeup brush. Yeah. Foundation brush. Let's see. This is fine. How much did we get this? Got that for 86 pence, which is okay. Which is fine. This is okay. It's fine. It's firm, strong. This is fine. So yeah, I can't complain. This is okay. What is this? This is, I think, eyeliner. I think it's the regular eyeliner. So this is the necklace. It's like layered necklace. Oh shit, that's not the plan. Okay, it's layered. I saw this actually on Amazon. I really did see it on Amazon for I think about £12, and I got this for way less on Temu. So I think this is a good buy because it was way less on Temu. I think on Temu it was for, sorry, trying to find it. Can't find it. Where cannot find it. But I think it's not more than £3. It's not. I don't think so. I don't think it's more than £3. So this is it anyway. It's okay. Ooh, I got this one. The bobby pins about 100 for really cheap, 58 pence. Really affordable. But I thought they were going to be bigger than this. Actually, I wanted big ones, but this is okay. It seems firm, you know, because I'm always styling my hair. I need bobby pins, so that's fine. Let's look at the eyeliner. Let me try it. Let me try it on my. Ooh, this is good. This is good. I think makeup, anything makeup, Temu is okay. Yeah. Now, what is this? Oh, you know, still makeup. The eyeliner, I got that for 69 pence, which is okay. This one is like a pack of this stuff. Okay, for the face. Yeah, it's okay. It's what they sell out there. It's the same price, and I bet it's way cheaper. It's £1.08. It's fine. It's okay. I love it. Ooh, what is this? Candy. You buy so much on Temu, and then when it comes in, you forget what you buy. Oh my god, I remember. I bought blush, but I thought it was going to be bigger than this. I swear. I did not. I felt it was going to be bigger than this. I bought like pink blush because I like using pink blushes. It's fine. Just there. It's fine. It's regular stuff. It's fine. It's okay. It's pigmented. It's okay. Yeah. We got that for how much? Oh my god, when I was buying this stuff on Temu, I enjoyed it. £2.73. You know, it's okay, it's fine. Alright. And I got this hair wash stick stuff for, you know, closures and stuff like that. Oh, they added like an edge control. That we got for, how much is that? £1.16. It's really small. It's smaller than what I see out there, right? Hair wash stick. It's smaller than what we see out there. It's really small. Smaller than what we see out there. But edge control, it's fine. It's okay. I wasn't expecting more than this. £1 something. Oh my god, moment of truth. I am so nervous. Oh my god. Let this be good. I bought a closure because I have a wig that the closure there has gone bad, so I'm trying to change the closure. I could do a video on how I do that. Oh my goodness. This is small. What do you think? It's smaller than what I expected. You know. But I think next time I go on this stuff, I'm going to like make sure I measure. I have a tape rule because they put the measurement there, but you're so excited about the £1, £2, £3 that you're just like box, basket. You don't even measure the size and see if it makes sense, you know. But this is okay. The hair is okay. It's okay. I can't complain. It's okay. How much did I get this for? Let's see. I got this for I was supposed to have a water bottle in here. Maybe it didn't come with this order, I don't know. I bought a water bottle. It's supposed to be there, but there's no water. Maybe it will come in the next batch. And a toothbrush stand. Oh, is this a toothbrush stand? I think this is a toothbrush stand. Which is fine. So the hair, I got the hair for, actually, I think it's about £14, I think, which is fine for 14 inches or so, or 16 inches, I think, which is okay. It's not bad. It's okay, regular. But I feel like it's small size wise. Maybe I'm freaking out because I know it's from Temu and I don't know, but I think it's okay. It's fine. I looked at the reviews before I got this. It's fine. Then the toothbrush stand. This is fine. This is okay. This is perfect. But it's not really sitting properly. I don't know. But it's okay. It's fine for toothbrush and toothpaste. So this is everything I got. For that one, this one, I got this for £1.78. So it's fine. It's okay. I love the things that I bought, except for the berets. I'm not so. There's no fire in there. I may have to buy it again. This one I can manage, but this one, Jesus Christ, you can use this as a filter like this. I can see through it. You know, don't like it, but I can manage it. This one I can manage, or maybe I should just, I don't know. But this is the list of the things. From all the things I bought, this is the one that I'm not so excited about. But the one I love this. This is really good, really firm. And some other bunch of stuff, like the makeup brush stand. Stop, it's trying to break. I feel like it should be like, well, you know, something you can move around and it should be locked in there, but it's not, and that's what I don't like. It's supposed to lock up, and when you turn it this way, it doesn't fall. But it's not so firm, you know. But it's fine because on Amazon is about, I think, £12, one ridiculous amount. So that is my first order from Temu. I'll give it, how many percent? 70% is fine because it's just the beret. The rest is like, okay, yeah. Based on the price, it's okay. 70%. So that's good. You know, next time I will measure more. I'll look at the measurement and see it with the measuring tape and know if I want this or not. So thank you guys for watching my video. I know I've been a bit clumsy. I just talking to my sister and doing sort of things, but you get the gist. Temu is okay, it's cool. Make sure you measure whatever you're buying and read the reviews. Okay, bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Mwah.